Just a quick upgrade video to show you the VE Thunder Ute. Still got a headlight to come and fit, but she's looking pretty good now. As you may have seen on the earlier videos, this was completely a write-off on this side. But now there's more work to go on the back of it, here and here, but the side is pretty straight, so I'm happy with that. You can't see my joins. It's all nice and tidy inside as well. I even got the stickers back on in place. Clunk, she shuts beautiful. So I'm happy with that. I just got to put the word Thunder. I've got to move them down to here, and then we'll call it quits on this job. Of course she's going to need a buff when she hardens up, but it's pretty much nearly there, so I'm happy with this. Until next time anyway.